good afternoon to all students. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 8, which is dated on 10th July 2020. The topic is exponents and powers from exercise 4.2. Today we have to discuss few assignment questions related to this dated. The first one is, the first question they have given two sub questions A as well as B. In this, write the following numbers in a standard form. Okay, so they have given the first question as 0.000 and 0.00564. So we have to write into standard form. Okay, how can we write like this? I can write 564 into 10 power. Okay, so 10 power plus or 10 power minus, this depends on the decimal value. Okay, so after point, how many digits are there? How many decimal numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that we have to write minus 9, 10 power minus 9. Okay, so we can simplify this. 564 into 10 power minus 9 can be written as 10 power minus 7 into 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 7 into 10 power minus 2. Now this 10 power minus 2, if you eliminate 10 power minus 2, this point will come before 2 digits. That is, I can write like this: 5.64 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, so I eliminate this 10 power minus 2, so that point I have to mention the point before 2 digits. If 10 power minus 3 means we have to put a decimal point before 3 digits. Like this, what is the standard form? 5.64 into 10 power minus 7. Similarly, if you take this one, here it is 216 into how many zeros are there? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me take it as what? 10 power 6. 10 power 6. That is 216 into 10 power 6. So we can write this is the standard form of 216 into 000 and 000. So this is how we are going to write in standard form. This B, express the following numbers in usual form. Usual form means generally what we are going to use the numbers. Generally it is in usual manner. That is given in the standard form. We have to write in usual form. That is 3.52 into 10 power 5. 3.52 into 10 power 5. So I will write like this: 3.52 into. So how many zeros are there? There is 5 zeros. We have to write. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is totally how many zeros? 5 zeros. Okay. So here it is one decimal point is there. So after decimal point, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So if I remove the decimal point, 2 zeros will get cancelled. 2 zeros will get cancelled. So what can we write? This is, it can be written as what? 352. So what are the leftover zeros? 3 zeros. You can write like this: 0, 0, 0. Okay. So this is 3,52,000. This is how we are going to convert standard form to usual form. Similarly, in the next one, 3 into 10 power minus 5 given as a standard form. This can be written as 3 into. So I can write like this. So here it is 10 power minus 5. It is not plus 5. Okay. So I can write as, after decimal point, how many decimal numbers we have to take? 5. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So this 0.00001 can be written as what? 10 power minus 5. Now you have to multiply 3 into 0.00001 can be written as what? I can write it as 0.00003. So likewise, this standard form 3 into 10 power minus 5 can be written as in usual form as 0.00003. Let us discuss second question. If the diameters of the sun and the earth are 1.4 into 10 power 9 meters and 1.275 into 10 power 7 meters respectively, compare these two. So we have to compare these two lengths. Okay, let us take how we are going to compare. So if you want to compare any two quantities, just you have to write in the ratio form. That is the diameter of solution. So diameter of a sun by diameter of earth. Diameter of earth. What is that one? That is 1.4 into 10 power 9 by 1. 275 into 10 power 7. 275 into 10 power 7. Just I will write like this. 1.4 by 1.275 into, here it is a 10 power 9 by 10 power 7. So numerator is 10 power 9, denominator is 10 power 7. Just I will write like this. 1.4 by, so this can be written as 1.275. It is approximately, I will write like this, 1.3. So approximately near to 1.3, no? So into, so I can write 10 power 9 as like this. 10 power 7 into 10 power 2 upon 10 power 7 upon 10 power 7. Here 10 power 7, 10 power 7 will get cancelled. I can write, what about this one? Here 1.4 by 1.3. It is nearer to equal to 1. So that I can equate this total fraction will become 1. So if it is 1 into 10 square, it will become what? It is exactly 100. 10 square can be written as 100. So what is this LHS part? Diameter of sun by diameter of earth. Okay. So if you write like this, that is diameter of sun upon diameter of earth. Okay. So if you cross multiply this one, I can write diameter of sun is equal to 100 times of diameter of earth. 100 times of diameter of earth. Okay. So likewise, how many times? It is 100 times of diameter of earth. When you are going to express sun diameter in terms of diameter of earth, it is how many times? It is 100 times. Okay. So let's go for the next two questions. These two are multiple choice type questions. The first one is if a power m into a power n is equal to how much? This is law of exponent. When two bases are equal, we have to directly add their powers. That is a power m plus n. So like that, which option is correct option? I can select option B is the right option. Okay. So both bases are same. So we are supposed to add their powers. It will be a power m plus n. Next, fourth question. If a power m is equal to a power n, then what will happen? If either equal sign of either sides, so both bases are same. So definitely we are supposed to equate their powers also. Here what is the power LHS? M. What is the power of RHS? N. So that m is equal to n. So like that, which option is right option? Option A is right option for this question. So these are the today assignment questions from exponents and powers from exercise 4.2. Thank you.